Hello guys, we're going to be talking about how we got this amazing picture over here and this one over here. Follow us as we document this beautiful let me talk about the model we're using for today. Her name is Omode Joy. So I'll put her link or her handle on the description in case you want to reach out to her. And also we have the Loud Blush, that's the makeup artist. She's the best in Abuja here. I'm going to put you through the process, the number of lights we use to get these pictures. So in this shoot, we make use of 3 lighting setup. So the first one was on its AD600 and the softbox, is on a 6 stand. So the second light is also an AD600 and it's on a big parabolic umbrella. The third light was a cordless continuous light, is the backlight, the hair light. So we used it for in order to bring out the subject, to make the subject to stand out from the background. On the lighting, I used to maintain this particular lighting setup, you understand? So on my main light, I used 1/8 for my main light. Then the few lights, I made use of 1/32 for my few lights. Then continuous light is continuously bobbing on the model's head. So, and also my camera, I make sure that I'm on f-stop 8 so that I can maintain the sharpness of the picture, and also it gives me the kind of feel that I want for my picture. And also don't forget that as the shoot goes on, I switch. I don't like stick to that number, but I switch from it all depends on how the mood and what I'm trying to get. Okay guys, my shutter speed is always on 1/125. That's it, 125 or 1/200, that's it. Then for my ISO 100, because it's an indoor shoot, so I don't want to get the whole thing on fire. I just want to get the normal exposure. So guys, as you can see that the model is giving us the vibe that we want for this shoot, and I love the result of what we got on this shoot. So on how I edited this picture is going to come on the next episode. In case you would love to know how, please send me a DM or you drop a comment on the comment section and we'll make that ready for you guys. And also thank you for watching to this moment. That means a lot to me, and watch out for the next episode.